Hello, we are going to use completing the square method to solve this quadratic equation. 4x squared minus 12x plus 5 equal to 0. Memorize these steps. You can memorize these steps. Okay, the first step, number 1, says make the coefficient of x squared equal to 1. In this question, you can see that the coefficient of x squared is 4. The coefficient of x squared is 4. So how can we make it equal to 1? By dividing all through by 4. Let's go ahead. 4x squared over 4 minus 12 over 4, 12x, over 4 plus 5 over 4 equal to 0. Okay, so 4 cancel 4. We have removed it. So we have x squared minus 3x. Of course, 12 over 4 is 3. Plus 5 over 4 equal to 0. Okay. We've done the first step. The coefficient of x squared is now 1. Now, the second step. Number 2 says move the constant to the right hand side. The constant is 5 over 4. 5 over 4 will cross the equal sign and become minus 5 over 4. So we have x squared minus 3x equal to minus 5 over 4. Okay, we've done that. Let's go to the next step. Number 3. Add the square of half of coefficient of x to both sides. Okay. The coefficient of x is 3. You can see it. The coefficient of x is 3. We are going to add the square of half of 3 to both sides. We are going to add 3 over 2 square to both sides. Okay. X squared minus 3x plus 3 over 2 square to this side. Now the other side, minus 5 over 4 plus 3 over 2 square. Okay. Let's solve this side, the right hand side. Leave the left hand side like that. I hope you can see. X squared minus 3x plus 3 over 2 square equal to minus 5 over 4 plus 3 square is 9, that is 3 times 3 is 9, 2 square, 2 times 2 is 4. So we have x squared minus 3x plus 3 over 2 square equal to, the LCM of 4 and 4 is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times minus 5 is minus 5. Plus 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. X squared minus 3x plus 3 over 2 square. Okay, minus 5 plus 9. That is 9 minus 5, which is 4. 4 over 4. And 4 over 4 is 1. S squared minus 3x plus 3 over 2 square equal to 1. Now the next step. The next step, step number 4, says write left side as a perfect square. This side, we are going to write it as a perfect square. Write it like this. Memorize this thing. Write x minus 3/2 square. Notice, write just this. If you meet this, when you get to this step, write this and this. Put them in brackets square. Memorize this step. Equal to 1. So to cancel this square, I will take the square root of both sides. So we have x minus 3/2 equal to √1. We have x equal to √1 plus 3/2. So we have x equals to √1 is 1 plus or minus 1 plus 3/2. Remember, you can see this plus or minus. So x is plus 1 plus 3/2 minus 1 plus 3/2. So over 1. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 1, 2. Plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 3 times 1, 3. This 3 plus 2 is 5. 5/2. And 5/2 is 2.5. You can leave your answer in fraction or decimal point. Okay, this side over 1. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2 times minus 1, that is minus 2, plus 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 3, that is 3. So minus 2 plus 3 is the same thing as 3 minus 2, which is 1. 1/2. 1/2 is half, which is the same thing as 0.5. So these are our values of x. You can leave them as decimal points or fraction. So if it's decimal points, the values of x 2.5 and 0.5. If it's fraction, 5/2 and 1/2. So that's our answer. Thank you.